Okay, so the thing is, we are discussing about SQL null values. So, what type of null values are there in the SQL? Whenever we start SQL topics, there is a little bit confusion. Not the particular SQL. There are some confusion. What SQL is a null value means it is zero or anything or other else. So, null values mean not only zero or not zero. Null value means incomplete of data or empty spaces. So if there will be some provided the name, what is a null value in SQL? Null value is a field with no value. Null value is a field with no value. Like if I provided place, then there will be name, then there will be time, then there will be price. So place like West Bengal, name like Raj, time will be 5 p.m., price is blank, place is blank. So this is Rohan, that also blank, price like 50. So these spaces are blank, not zero. Zero is actually a value. So this is the blank space. No data is input. So null value is a field with no value. So they are called null value. If a field in a table is optional, it is possible to insert a new record or update the record. So whenever there are null value is present in your table, null value field is present in your particular table, you can update it. You can update the value here. And a null value, just like a note that different from a zero value, field that contains spaces, blank spaces, no data is recorded here. Okay. And how to test the null value? Uh, See, with the use of comparison operator like is equal to, less than, not is equal to, we can't be properly get the actual result or testing the null value. But for this, we can use two operators, that is null operator, and one other one is not null operator. Okay. So the syntax, or if I directly goes to the result, is null. Suppose select, if you want for full table result, just providing star. If you particularly choose some column, then like here, you can please select some column name, whatever you choose, like customer name, contact number, address, whatever you choose. That from customer, that is the table name. Then the condition we have to use where address, particularly which field null value we want to find. It is column name, customer name, contact number, or address. Here we want to find out the null values from address column. So where address is null, it will showcase the result where the null values is present in that particular address column. If same thing is there, if count we use, select count star from customer where address is null, it will showcase or found out the count number, the actual number, how many address, how many data in address column is null. It will found out. Okay. Whenever we use for not null, select star from customer where address is not null. That means we have or we get the output where any null value will be present, not present. Any null value will not be present. This is the output. If I mention here count, select, then count, then in the bracket asterisk from customer table where address is not null. That means it will showcase the result, the number, where there will be not any null value will be considered. Okay. So this is the difference between is null operator and is not null operator that is used for finding the null values. Okay. I hope everybody clear with it. SQL null values. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Okay.
Clear.
So that is the last topic for today. Next day, whether it will be like joining starts or like group by, order by, or some basic command line that will be used for joining, that will be discussed for the next day. And I will provided this note in WhatsApp and Pumble both. Okay. And I hope everybody fill the Google form, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today. Um, Friday, your next database class will be there, and if possible, tomorrow there will be project session. Okay, I'll be declared.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.